Give him back.
So what do we got?
I'm glad I get
Allison caught a mouse.
Whose mouse is it?
Allison.
Mine.
And how did you catch him?
I found him on the grass, and the kids were chasing him, and the clients were running away. So I catched him on the grass, and she was trying to save him. Yeah, the kids were trying to eat him.
Really? And you
So I
saved his life?
him. Yeah, I saved him.
Okay, now tell me about his eyes. How come his eyes aren't open yet?
He's still the baby. I think because he's a baby. No, I think a little baby. I think he's. I think.
He loves it.
Hey, I think his eyes are blind. I think.
No, I think he just is a baby.
And he's probably sleeping.
Yeah?
For a while.
Is he really eating that?
I think he's
Is
sleepwalking.
he still squeaking?
No. Give him.
When he opens his mouth, he wants more.